Hi guys, my name is Marilena. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do something easy because I don't really have a lot of inspiration. I don't know where to find it. That's why I decided to do a makeup, a simple one, just from 5 products. As you can see, the result, I don't know if it's something that you expected or something else, but if you're really interested to see how we got this look, then stay with me and you'll see the result. Well, you saw the result already, but you'll see the process. So stay tuned! So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope that you enjoy this process. Don't forget about like, subscribing, commenting, and I don't know, everything you want. Wish you a good Sunday and yeah, have a nice day. Bye! Bună, dragilor! Why did I start it though in Romanian? Bă, Marilena, dar am când mă urmă live.